Hello and welcome to CCC FPV. Today I am out and about. It's a little snowy, it's a little cold, but I brought my Tinyhawk fleet of unorthodox builds. I've got the 3-inch Freestyle MLR I created and the Calimero 65mm toothpick frame, both running the flight controllers and motors from the stock Freestyle and Freestyle 2. The 3-inch is upgraded with a Baby Turtle TBS Crossfire and a 300mW VTX. And this one here is a stock Tinyhawk, except for the frame, which is 3D printed in PLA. And we're gonna fly them about, both 2S. Let's go cruising. Okay, we're gonna start out with the first flight with the 3-inch Tinyhawk conversion. This was a design I did off of Dave C FPV's micro long range 3-inch that he did. I made it a one-piece bottom plate, lightened it up, and put in the holes for the Tinyhawk components. And I'm going to be running a GNB 652S. So let's get it loaded up, get it out. Camera set. Drone set, controller on, goggles, checkerino. Getting some interference, so that's weird. There's nothing plugged in. Just plug in. Put the window down because I'm not getting out of the car. That would just be silly. A little windy now, but we should be all right. Contact. Yeah, there we go. Got about 3.9 volts. Now this one I ended up having to solder on my VTX antenna because I ripped the UFL off the board. So I decided to just solder it on. It seems to be doing alright for video. I don't think it's really doing its job though, actually. Let's see. Wasn't too bad, huh? Landed right on the lap. Go ahead and stop the recording. We're gonna go ahead and take it up again, and this time I've got an Infinity 850 Graphene 2S.
Telemetry recovered.
Plugged in. We have video, and the baby turtle is recording. I hit the top of that. Oh, my video feed went out. Oh, and I dropped my E-pen. And I crashed it into the concrete. Doesn't look too broken. Let's find out. Okay. Well, this was the plug for my video on the Tinyhawk board was ripped off long ago, and I directly soldered to these itty bitty little tabs, and the ground keeps coming off. So I'm going to resolder this ground to just a regular ground, and she should be good to go. But you can see there's quite a mark on the front of that. Let's see if we got any frame damage. Yep, we got a bent. Look at that. That is a bent standoff. Huh. Bottom plate's good. Top plate's good. I bent my front standoff. Bent a prop. This one might have trashed this motor. Took a really hard concrete. Oh, there's a dent. Yeah, there's a dent in the side of the bell of this. I do have a spare. Was this thing vibrating the whole time? Alright, well, after looking it over, it looks like the frame is good. No real terrible frame damage. I did bend a front standoff there in the front, you can see. The video wire came off. Hopefully, oh, my SD card in the baby turtle is gone. I have to go find that. It's a black SD card with a little bit of red on it. Over there somewhere. Alright, I just spent like 15 minutes wandering around a black asphalt parking lot looking for this. Found it! At least we'll have some footage. The first flight went without a hitch. Second flight, I fucked it up. Alright, for this little guy, I got two GNB 520 cells going in there. This one is still a FreeSky SPI receiver, so I gotta bust out the old IFlight. Put a little more camera up tilt on this one. See how much. Great gravy, Jim. There we go. All right. We got video, we got contact, we got everything. Man, my luck today isn't so hot, huh? What are you gonna do? Well, I think it has something to do with that light pole. Just keep hitting stuff today. That one up there. Who knows? Well, battery unplugged. That's alright. At least you didn't get too wet, doesn't look like. Looks alright. No worse for wear, as I say.